Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel today. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to be making coconut rice. So let's just dive right into the video. And for ingredients, I have my meat stock, my chopped meat, more cow skin, my fish, my coconut milk, my grated coconuts, tomato puree. I have some chopped Scotch Bonnet pepper, my Cray fish. Also, I have my meat stock as well. And yeah, let's just get right into the video and make this coconut rice together. So to start off, I'll start by parboiling my rice. I'm using regular rice. You can use your basmati if you want to. I'll just add my rice into my pot of water and allow that to cook and soften or to pre-cook for a bit. And once that is done, I will wash it and then we can start cooking. So I'll start off by adding my vegetable oil into my pot. I will let this warm up for a little bit, and then I will add my chopped onion. So for this recipe, I'm not using so much onion, but I'm just going to add that and I will let it saute for a bit. While that is sauteing, I will also be adding my chopped garlic as well. So I'll just add that and let it saute for a bit before I add my blended tomato puree. Now I'm going to be adding my tomato puree. I'm actually using very little. Some people tend to use more tomato puree than this, which is fine if you want your coconut rice to have the whole jollof feel. You can use more tomato, you can also include tomato paste to it. So now my tomato has been frying for a bit. Now I will let it fry for a little bit before I start seasoning the sauce. So now I'm going to be adding my chopped Scotch Bonnet just because I want a little bit of extra spice to my coconut rice. So I'll just stir that maybe to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before I start seasoning. Guys, this has been cooking for a while now, so I'll just add my cow skin, my chopped cow skin, my chopped meat, which is beef, my chopped protein as well, dried fish. If you are someone who loves a lot of protein in your coconut rice, you can add some smoked fish, some dried meat, whatever it is you want, even some chicken as well. So I'm just going to stir this for a bit. I'll let it fry for a little bit before I season it to my preference. Now I'm going to be adding some thyme to my sauce and I'm going to be adding some crayfish. I'm using a lot of crayfish, so I'm going to be adding some garlic powder as well to it. I'm just going to stir this a little bit before I add my meat stock. So guys, I'm using some mixed chicken and turkey stock for this. So I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. This was homemade coconut milk, so that's why it's really thick. So I will also be adding my coconut flakes into the pot and I will stir this for a bit. Stir it properly before I season with my seasoning cube, and I will then add some salt to it to taste. So now guys, I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube and after that I will add my salt. I will stir this for a bit. I will then add my parboiled rice into the sauce. I will stir it properly and ensure that all the seasoning has been properly incorporated into the rice as well. If there needs to be an adjustment, I will make an adjustment by probably adding some more salt or some more seasoning cubes. So I will just cover this up and let it cook, properly cook. And guys, our coconut rice will be ready. So let's cover it up and let it cook. So for now, this is what our coconut rice is looking like now on the fire, but the water has not dried yet. So I'll just cover it up, and yeah, I'll see you guys when our coconut rice is ready. So guys, our coconut rice is ready now. This is what it's looking like. I love what I'm seeing, and it tastes really nice. So I'm just going to stir this up, and yeah, and check if there is a need to still leave it on the fire for a bit. But from what I'm seeing now, I think our coconut rice is ready. We just need to stir it and properly incorporate all the sauce and the juice together before we serve. Thank you guys for watching my video, for supporting my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well. Yeah, and leave a comment down below for me if you enjoyed this recipe and if you'll be trying it as well. Until I see you in my next one, bye guys.